Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to witness the majestic Black Panther in all his glory, not just as a superhero, but as the esteemed king of Wakanda. In this electrifying speech, I unveil the extraordinary values of royalty and loyalty that define our nation and inspire us to become better leaders and citizens. Join me on this thrilling journey as we explore the heart of Wakanda's greatness and the unwavering bond that unites us all. This is a video you won't want to miss. Tune in now to embrace the spirit of Wakanda and be inspired by the legacy of royalty and loyalty that propels us forward. Royalty is not just about wearing a crown or holding a title. It's about shouldering the responsibility of caring for our people and protecting their well-being. In Wakanda, our kings and queens are chosen not only based on their bloodline but also on their virtues, wisdom, and compassion. They serve as beacons of hope, leading by example and showing unwavering dedication to the welfare of our citizens. Our loyalty to Wakanda and its people is a bond that runs deep within our hearts. It goes beyond personal interests or ambitions. It is a commitment to the greater good of our nation. Our loyalty unites us, strengthens us, and makes us formidable against any adversary. We stand together as one, a nation that thrives on the unity of its people. Wakanda's legacy is not built on conquest or dominance. It is a legacy of innovation, progress, and unity. We have preserved our hidden paradise by guarding our knowledge and resources from those who would exploit them. But we also recognize that with great power comes great responsibility. We use our advancements not to conquer, but to uplift and empower those in need. As the Black Panther, I carry the weight of the nation on my shoulders, but I am not alone in this endeavor. My loyal advisors, the Dora Milaje, and the citizens of Wakanda all play a crucial role in safeguarding our ideals. Loyalty is a two-way street, and I am honored to have the loyalty of our people, just as I am committed to serving them with every ounce of my strength. But our journey is not without challenges. Like any nation, we face external threats and internal struggles. It is during these times that our loyalty and unity are put to the test. We must stay true to our principles, remain steadfast in our loyalty, and work together to overcome any adversity that comes our way. As the Black Panther, I am not just a symbol of strength and agility. I am a symbol of the values we hold dear. Royalty and loyalty are the foundation of our nation's greatness, and I implore you all to embody these principles in your own lives and communities. Lead with wisdom, compassion, and unity, and together we can create a better world, not just for ourselves but for future generations to come. Thank you, and may the spirit of Wakanda's royalty and loyalty guide us all on our journey. Wakanda Forever.